Welcome everyone in this YouTube channel. Now we are going to study the arithmetic progression in maths part first. This is the third chapter in the maths first of 10th standard. Now see here, some numbers are written here: 9, 15, 21, 27. So 9 plus 6, that is 15, plus 6 we get 21. 21 plus 6, that is 27. If we add to this 6 to this 27, we get 27 plus 6, that is 33, and 33 plus 6, that is 39, and so on. So these numbers are arranged in definite order. So this is called a sequence. Sequence means a set of numbers which are arranged in definite order is called sequence. So this is one sequence, this is another sequence. See here, first number is 1, second is 4. Difference between these two is 3. So if we add 3 to this number, we get 4. And if we add 3 to 4, we get 7. If we add 3 to this 7, we get 10. If we add 3 in this number, we get 13. 13 plus 3, 16. 16 plus 3, 19, and so on. This is the one sequence. Now see here. Here there are 2, 4, 8, 16, like these terms. If we subtract 2 from 4, we get 2, and 4 from 8, we get 4. So this is not a common difference here. So if we multiply this number by 2, we get 4. If we multiply by 2 to this 4, we get 8. If we multiply 8 by 2, we get 16. Then 32. 32 into 2, that is 64, and so on. Now see here. So difference in these two consecutive numbers is not same, but if we multiply this number by minus 4, we get plus 4. So if we multiply this 4 by minus 4, we get minus 16. Now if we multiply minus 16 by minus 4, we get 64. Again, if we multiply this number by minus 4, we get minus 4 into 64. 4 4 is 16. Carry 1. 4 6 is 24. Plus 1, 25. So minus 256. If we multiply this by minus 4, we get another number, next number. In this way, we can calculate all these numbers. So here we add 6. Here we add 3. Then here we multiply by 2. Here we multiply by minus 4. So in this series, we get 3 plus 0, that is 3. 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. So 3, 3, 3 will be the sequence. If we multiply this number by 1, we get 3 into 1, that is 3. Again, we multiply this number by 1, we get this number. So if we multiply 1 by first number, we get next number. So here is also like that. So if the difference is same, difference in two consecutive number is same or constant, then that sequence is called arithmetic progression, AP. And if we multiply first number by constant number, so we divide two consecutive numbers, we get constant number. So 4 divided by 2, that is 2. 8 divided by 4, that is 2. 16 divided by 8, that is 2. So this type of sequence is called GP, that is geometric progression. So this is AP, this is GP. Because this is AP because difference between any two consecutive number is constant. That's why this sequence, these two sequences are an arithmetic progression. And here there is division of any two consecutive number is constant. So such a type of sequences are called geometric progressions. Now in this, difference between two consecutive terms is 0. That's why this is AP, that is arithmetic progression. This sequence is arithmetic progression. This is also arithmetic progression because difference between any two consecutive terms is 0. Now, if we divide any two consecutive numbers, we get division 1. That is constant. So, this sequence is an AP as well as GP also. Means this sequence is arithmetic progression and as well as geometric progression. So these two sequences are arithmetic progressions and geometric progressions. Now see this sequence. This is the square of 1, this is square of 2, this is square of 3, this is square of 4. What will be here? Square of 5, that is 25. Then square of 6, that is 36. Like this is sequence. But if we subtract first term from second, we get 3. Now difference of these two terms is 5. So difference is not same. So division is also not same. That is, this is not AP, neither AP nor GP. This is also, see here, this is a sequence, but this is not an AP or not an GP. This is a cube of 1, this is cube of 2, cube of 3, cube of 4, cube of 5, like this. This is a sequence, this is also sequence. These two are sequence, but these two are not an AP or GP. Now we are going to study only AP, arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a sequence in which difference between any two consecutive terms is constant, and that constant difference is denoted by D, small d, and the terms, first term is denoted by T1, second T2, that is second term T2, third term T3, like this. So first term is A and common difference is D. Then what will be the first term? So first term is T1 is equal to A. Then second term, that is T2 is equal to A plus common difference D. If we add D to first term, we get second term. If we add D to in second term, we get third term, that is T3 is equal to T2 plus D. What is T2? T2 is A plus D. So T3 is equal to A plus D, the value of T2 plus D. So T3 is equal to A plus 2. So this is a third term. Then what is fourth term? T4 is equal to If we add d in the third term, we get fourth term. That is t3 plus d. That means a plus 2d plus d. A plus 2d plus d. That is a plus 3d. So see here, first term is a, second term a plus d, third term a plus 2d, fourth term a plus 3d, like that. If we calculate nth term, that is Tn, that will be a plus, see here, first term here is 1, there is no d, that is 0d. Here is 2, here is 1d. Here 3, in third term 2d, in fourth term 3d. That is 1 less from this. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So this will be the nth term of an AP. By using this formula, we can calculate any term in an AP. So what is meant by sequence? If the set of numbers arranged in a definite order is called a sequence. And what is AP arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a sequence in which difference of any two consecutive terms in that sequence is constant, is called arithmetic progression. So by using this formula, we can calculate any term, third term, fourth term, 20th term, any term in arithmetic progression. Thank you.